Okay.
I can get a socket on it here. One sec.
Just big enough for your arm to fit in.
Yeah, they couldn't have made a little bigger hole here so you could at least see, but
Just for that.
good.
Should be good there. I just gotta button up the ones on top there.
Okay. There you got her. Having GoPro issues here. So the John Deere that we're working on, that project is kind of on hold. Larry and Randy are working on it a little bit, but we have to wait for a part to replace one of those plates. So until then, Jeff and I, he's in the combine, are going to take a sample of this winter wheat that Randy knocked down the other day, and we're going to see if it's ready. There's not a whole lot here, but take what we can get. Jeff has forgotten a couple of the settings, so I just brought him the manual, and he needs a little refresher. First winter wheat, so you don't expect much from this.
Nah, not this guy.
Too sandy, too hot.
Yeah.
Wheat leak. Yeah, a little bit. Where the heck would it be coming from?
I don't know. It could be a little, just like a little rubber piece, because it's all segments on top of each other. It could just be a little rubber flap that's worn out.
Oh.
Somewhere in here or something.
Throttle it all up.
Yeah, so we'll make sure the heads are feeding into the machine first.
It's crazy how much it just thins out. Oh, sand hills. And some grasshoppers. Okay. More bugs than wheat.
Yeah.
Should have enough for a sample now, at least. The mechanic should be coming by soon, and we can start working on the back end of that combine. Nice little break, though. Nice little break.
Can you scoop a pail up? Oh, some worms? Yeah, toss me one of those worms. Let's see what they are. Must be Bertha Army.
Weird. What kind of worms are they?
I think these are called Bertha Army worms.
Oh, what do they like to eat?
Canola. Apparently wheat.
Yeah, they lost. Grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers.
Real mixed bag here. Is this just a smaller one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They don't look like the regular Berthas though. It could be something different. Cool.
Yeah.
Have to do some Googling. You Googling?
This is lightweight.
Drop it. 39, 29,
Yeah.
39. Oh shit, she's drier than dry. So dry for wheat is 14 and a half or 14, one of the two. 13 and a half, 14 and a half. So we're at like 12.6, 12.7.
Plenty dry then.
Oh yeah.
Randy's off. The wheat was dry enough, so he's gonna go do that. What are you saying?
I'm not 100% sure on where he plans on putting the grain.
It's gonna crawl in here right now. called in the pros to help us out. Working on the front.
This guy.
He was saying you might not have to take that off. They just wedged it in there, kind of thing.
Well, that's what the guy said, but there's no way this.
Yeah,
He must have been thinking about something different, because there's no way that.
it's way too tight. Take off this guy. Okay, that goes in there. Oh, okay. Let's see how the back one's going. Looks like progress.
Hi, bud.
Hey, man.
How's it going?
Oh, not bad.
For now. And I managed to not disturb it yet.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Perfect,
a
solid.
little bit of mud in there too. Watch your toes.
I got a few things to take off out here, but you got to do that, so can't be spinning or.
I'm on the last piece here, so.
Okay, that kind of lines up for me. Got them all off.
Yeah.
It's moving, I think. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're almost there. Cool.
Oh, nice. Should come now. Finally.
All right.
Randy's just popping across the road. He might have a hopper full of wheat, but he said that crop was garbage. Not much there. While we are making progress on this beast, Jeff's just gonna pound out all the dust up here.
Just awesome.
Enjoy. Oh yeah, now you can see the hole.
Yeah.
Is that easy or? But then comes the. You're in here.
Well, I mean, it's the same worn as the one that has a hole in it.
Yeah, and it's only what, like 4 bolts holding it in?
Yeah. I'd like to do all of them, but this one, I mean, because it's taking everything this way.
Yeah, that one never
That one's
wears,
fine.
right?
Yeah.
So,
This one's seems okay.
but this isn't actually that worn either. Now that I look at it, it's a little bit here.
No, I'll call right now and order that one.
Yeah, if you want to, same bolts, everything.
It's another 800, 200, 500 bucks.
We're here and
Do it, right?
Back is coming along. Just gotta zap these off now. Yeah. Sweet.
okay, is gearbox in?
It's coming. Well, we're right on the verge.
We're getting there. We're getting there.
That broke it loose though, right?
Well,
Or the tool just popped off.
I think it just popped off.
Yeah.
You're in there, and you gotta pull the same bolt out anyway, so.
Swap her out.
Yep.
Somebody's making progress at least.
Yeah, somebody's doing something. Grab me just a rag if you don't mind. Ah, you got her.
Yeah, if I can just get the bearing the rest of the way.
Okay, keep pounding, Soup.
Okie doke. Is that helping? The key's sliding, yeah.
Okay, yeah, give it a couple more whacks. It should pop off you.
Nuts.
What? The key?
Sums it up.
Okay, now's gonna be the fun part, trying to get it out
With this mini roommate. Okay. I should be able to turn it a bit. Oh yeah, it's gonna hit the roof in there anyways, right?
It already is.
Yeah.
Can we pull this back in? Open?
I don't know. I don't know how.
Oh yeah, no, you're out, you're out. Just barely.
Got her. What a beautiful sky as the sun sets on another day here at the farm. Made some good progress on that combine. Now we just have to wait for some parts. Randy picked up about 30 acres of winter wheat, which I believe Jeff said yielded about 13 bushels per acre, so not too hot. Anyways, Randy's going to continue doing that tomorrow, but until then, thanks for joining.